particularly. Every video is different, so I'm going to show you how to bounce the vocals. Every day I'm a music producer, singer, songwriter, and I work as a freelancer. So I'm making songs pretty much every single day. I get paid for it as a living. So if you want to bounce your vocals, here's how you do it. You go to File, you go to Bounce, project or session. This is specifically for Logic Pro, as we know. Welcome to the bounce. And what I like to do is I like to give an MP3 version of it, and then if the client comes back to request a wave version, then I'll simply hit this, which gives me the ability to do it in wave as well, or we can do an AIF or CAF, but ultimately this is as an MP3. Bounce as an MP3 as 320 kilobytes, as that's the highest type of MP3. And I like to bounce my songs in real time. Offline we'll do it so that the music doesn't play as it goes through, but real time it goes through the song. And the reason why I like to do this is because if there's any errors in the song that I didn't quite catch, it gives me it gives me another chance to hear the song while it's playing and bouncing at the same time. And if I hear an error, I'll just hit cancel and I'll change the error, then I'll rebounce. So let's get into it. This song is called More of You. It's written by the person that produced this song. I'm just vocaling his lyrics. It was written by a guy called Cameron. Shout out Cameron. Track's called More of You. It's a gospel spiritual type song, praising God. So let's get into the bounce.
More of you, more of you, more of you, and less of me, less of me. I want more of you, more of you, more of you, and less of me, less of me. When the weight of the world gets heavy, I get down on my knees and I cry, more of you, more of you, more of you, less of me, less of me. When the storms of life are raging and I'm feeling drowned at sea, I want more of you, more of you, more of you, and less of me, less of me. I just want more of you, more of you, and less of me, less of me. More of you, yeah, yeah, yeah. I just want more of you, more of you, more of you, and less of me, less of me.
That is More of You. That is the bounce. That is today's episode of the bounce. That's how you basically bounce vocals. Pretty much bouncing a track outside of Logic. So if you're a rapper or an artist and you're looking for a vocalist to vocal some background vocals, or maybe vocal a hook or a verse, and you like the sound of what you're hearing today, then feel free to hire me on Fiverr. I'll drop a link below. You can hire me, or hit me up in the comments. Let me know. Send me the track and we can do something together. And that is pretty much it. I will catch you in the next video where I will be able to give you more of me in that episode. And take care. Peace.